Message from Ashtar Sheran to humanity. Brothers of planet Earth, I am Ashtar Sheran, the Earth Alliance reports. Through this message, that something big is about to explode. There is a high probability of very strong solar flares in the near future, within 72 hours. Several huge sunspots with unstable Delta-class magnetic fields are directly facing Earth, including a super sunspot R312, which fired a powerful ray flare. These unstable magnetic fields are an indication that the sun is about to release a massive discharge. Today, the Pleiadians are closely watching this situation, and the word is that something big is about to explode. It is known that the biggest solar flare is the triggering event that completely transforms the consciousness of this world. This solar event occurs on Earth every 13,000 years and is nearly 10 Earth years overdue. This has the potential to activate all human DNA dormant on Earth. If the 12 primary strands of DNA were instantly reactivated, you would be the most advanced being in this universe. If we look closely at the sun, but listen to the voice of intuition, even closer to divine intelligence. Intuition is speaking and caring in a strong way that can see the bigger picture. There is a high probability of an increase in tectonic plate movement and major earthquakes in the next 3 Earth days, during the next 72 hours. Beloved, you know that transformations on Earth have been taking place for some time, and that humanity is beginning to free itself from the old control paradigms. To witness and be part of this great evolutionary event is the greatest honor, and for that we came to Earth. Good luck. Go with God on this path of ascension. The Earth is adjusting its galactic vibration frequency because through fire, the transmutation of the collective consciousness of humanity is generated. This occurs also in people to create stories and living memory of the Earth, assuming responsibility for our own acts that we create daily and how we want to live. This is the moment when coherence between discourse and law is the fundamental basis of the spiritual process, and at the same time, remain as an observer without judgment of the environment. Help to create necessary adjustments to sustain the Earth in its planetary processes. Raising planetary history towards the light. It is fundamental, the construction of a new world where peace and gratitude dwell in every corner. I am Commander Ashtar Sheran. I send much light to your being. I am Maria Lustig, guardian of the flame of light. Voiced by We Are Positive Worldwide. Always remember that you are the most important person in this world. We love you very much. We are with you at every step. We value your presence. We are your cosmic family of light. We are your source of light and eternal love. We are your beacon of light on the path. If you are new to the channel and this resonated with you, don't forget to subscribe, like, leave your comments, and share. Together, we can learn and expand our knowledge on this spiritual journey, allowing us to achieve the life we truly deserve. Thank you, thank you, thank you.